Open the accessory box. Turn the handwheel. Raise the presser foot, take out the bobbin. Installation of horizontal spool pin. Pull the thread out from the spool. Guide the thread through the thread guide. Thread the bobbin and put it on the bobbin winding shaft. Push bobbin spindle to right. Connecting machine to power source. Turn on the sewing machine. Lower the presser foot and press the start button. Hold the end of thread. Cut off excess thread. The winding speed can be adjusted on the screen. Dash decreases the speed, and plus increases the speed. When winding is finished, cut the thread. Push bobbin spindle to left and remove. Insert the bobbin in the bobbin case with the thread running. Pull the thread trough the slit. Cut the thread with the built-in cutter. And attach the bobbin cover plate. Turn off the power before threading. Turn the hand wheel to raise the take-up lever to its highest point. Raise the needle to its highest position. Raise the presser foot to release the tension discs. Draw thread from spool through the upper thread guide. Leading thread down right channel and up left channel. Ensure the thread is behind the thread take-up. Pass the thread behind the horizontal thread guide. Lower the presser foot. Press lever down as far as it will go. Pass the thread in front of the needle around the hook. Release lever. Pull the thread through the needle hole. Hold the upper thread with the left hand. Turn the handwheel towards you, lowering then raising needle. Gently pull on the upper thread. Lay both threads to the back under the presser foot. Turn on the sewing machine. The machine has 241 built-in sewing stitches. Press mode button to free change stitch pattern and letter pattern. Here you can adjust the length, width, and needle position for different stitches. Press double needle button, screen will show double needle icon. Press the mirror button to horizontal or vertically flip the pattern. Raise the needle to its highest position. Raise the presser foot. Place the fabric under the presser foot. Press auto lock button before sewing, machine will run stitch fix locking. Set the machines for straight stitch. Press the start button, the machine will start sewing. Press the reverse button, sewing machine will sew backwards in low speed. Release the button and the machine will stop sewing automatically. Press the start button to resume sewing. Press the automatic thread cutter button, cut the thread. The speed limiting adjustment lever can control the sewing speed. To increases the sewing speed, slide the lever to the right. To decrease the sewing speed, slide the lever to the left. Click on combination mode, then select module to freely combine patterns. Open the button plate and insert the button. Attach the buttonhole foot. Place the fabric under the presser foot. Lower the buttonhole lever and gently push it back. Choose buttonhole stitch. Press the start button, the machine will start sewing. After the sewing is completed, lift the buttonhole lever. Use a buttonhole knife to cut open the buttonhole. Turn power switch to off. Before inserting or removing the needle, place the fabric under the presser foot to prevent the needle from falling out. Release the needle set screw and remove the needle. Take out the needle. The flat side of the shaft should be towards the back. Insert the needle to its highest point. Tighten the needle set screw. Remove the bobbin cover plate. Remove the needle plate by using T-shaped screwdriver. Clean the dust and lint clogging. After cleaning, restore the disassembled parts.